It's Diana Willett back again with the corned beef and cabbage. Guess what? I have another pressure cooker here. Wolfgang Puck saved the day. The power pressure cooker, I don't know what happened. It conked out. It wouldn't go up to pressure. I tried it 4 times, and I don't know what happened. So I used the Wolfgang Puck pressure cooker to finish the job, and it made a wonderful, wonderful meal. Here it is, corned beef and cabbage. And I'm sure everybody is having this today. And I'm going to enjoy it along with my son. So here's the finished product. And I'll be back next couple of days with another delicious recipe. Bye-bye.